Okay, so let me show you why. So this bad boy, it tries to load every 10 minutes. It might be every 6 hours for the extract, and then it'll keep trying to load every 10 minutes until it works. So I got this, we were experiencing delays. I was like, okay, that's fine, whatever. And then I got this stage error. It's trying to stage this PC stitch DBA GA integration stitch loading. Okay, so it says it does not exist or is not authorized. And I was like, okay, well, I can figure this out. So what you have to do is you go into databases and you find PC stitch, and then you see tables, views, schemas, stages. And when you did the partner connect over here, it created your schemas, but it didn't create your stages. So you just have to go into stages and create a stage, and then grant privileges to the PC stitch role that was automatically generated. And then it works! How cool is that? Okay, we'll move on to the next thing. We have to put all of our new snowflake data. So our first piece of snowflake data is going to be this account. So we want that account in there. Where's structure? Here we go. So we got an account. We have a username. We have a password, hopefully. Let's see if we can find that password. Oop. Well, that's not good. Here, let's go back to this, and where is Google? There's Google. Okay. So we want our snowflake password, so I'm going to go to my password manager, find my snowflake password. Let's put that sucker in there. And we need a destination database, and it says you must create a destination database in Snowflake first. Okay, so let's do that real quick. So I'm going to create, we got to go to databases. Create, and we'll call this GA. No, we're not going to call it Google Analytics. We're calling it Structure Analytics. Pipeline destination DB for structure analytics. Okay. Well, okay. So we need to switch away from our role. So let's go back to account admin. We're getting this guy. We gotta speed things up. Okay. We're in databases. Create structure DB comment analytics for the structure website. Okay, here we go. Okay, and we'll grant some privileges. Just grant them all. And we'll select a role. Select public and see how that works. So let's go back to structure. So now we know we just called this structure DB, destination schema. I think it should structure schema. I think it should work no matter what, but let's see. Okay. So I think the schema will get generated automatically because it has permissions to do so. But we got our report. Sure, let's add some weather data. Okay, we're going to add 2 sources. We'll check out the data on these sources. Oh, look at that beautiful data. Okay, what about you? Are you beautiful data as well? 2019. Okay. Whoop. zoom in. Okay,